Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace stop light, brake light, tail light and rear turn signal light bulb on Lincoln MKX guys, first generation. We will guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful. We will demonstrate on the right side, but the left side is exactly identical and everything is the same. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So you can see guys, okay, your tail lights tend to fade guys over time. So we'll have a video to show you how to make those like brand new again. I hate them when they look like that, so check it out. All we need to do now guys, we need to open the hatch door. Now as I said, the right side will be the same as the left side. All you need guys is, okay, this one is a 8mm socket. You can find all the tools and that screwdriver set that we use listed in the description of the video below. Okay, we'll have the links. Here you have only 2 screws that you need to remove. Pretty simple so far, right? Okay, great. Both of them are out. Plastic panel removal too, that's very important guys, so you don't break your tail light and you don't scratch your car. Get it there and just pry forward. Okay, you have 2 clips, one here and one on the bottom, okay, that goes right here and they get stuck. Now the light that we need guys, okay, this light bulb is for everything. It's for turn signal, for brake and for tail light as well. Everything's combined in one bulb. And you pull it out, you can see this one is getting old guys, okay. Definitely burnt. You may have quite a bit of corrosion too sometimes. That could prevent it from working, so there is a special spray to clean that. We'll have a video guys how to do that and we'll explain more about it. So we'll go ahead, okay, grab the new one and we'll show you guys how to put it together. So we get the replacement bulb guys, push it in, install it there now. It goes only one way and turn clockwise. Okay, the bottom one, okay, that connection right here, this is for your reverse light, but that's LED, so it's non-replaceable, guys. You have to replace the tail light. Align it, those 2 need to align, push it in, and from that point on, you will need to install your 2 screws. If you guys have any questions, let us know. We also have a new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. You can find quite a few electrical videos, testing and all that stuff on that car there as well. So, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.